Welcome back to the channel. Just want to show you a tool. These pipe spanners, they're a godsend, man. We're like when you're doing brake lines on old cars, you don't strip off those flare nuts and stuff. I'm just going to give you a quick show on how to bleed the brakes. I've got my brother-in-law Chris, he's giving me a hand today. How you going there, Chris? So the idea is like brake fluid is like a hydraulic liquid and doesn't compress that well. But when you get air bubbles in the line, the air obviously compresses, and that's what gives you that spongy feeling on your pedals. So we're going to have a go. Me and Chris have done the other three wheels. So you always do the furthest wheel away from the master cylinder. That's just the way you do it, because it's where the furthest air is. So I'm going to try and see if I can do this one-handed. So I'll just get you to pump it up, Chris. So Chris is just pumping up the pedal, and that fills up the master cylinder piston with fluid. Just check we've got enough fluid. And then what you do is, alright Chris, if you can hold it down, and then what you do is you release it. You can, here we go. Right, see the bubbles coming out? So pump it up, Chris. Hold it down. Pump it up. Hold it down. Pump it up. I might just get you to pump it. Just hang on a minute, Chris. I'll just get you to pump it. Pump it. So you get most of the bubbles out. Those bubbles up the top are coming out of the fitting there, the rubber fitting. So that's the idea. You just pump it up. You hold it down. Pump it up. And hold it down. And release it. And that's about it. And that's how you bleed the brakes. So hopefully I'm going to make another video on Sunday. There's a car show thing down at St Kilda, so I might try and get down there and do something a bit different. I'll do another river report in a few days. Yeah, so she's coming along. The brakes are bled now, so I'm going to try and drive it up and down the driveway today. Watch it. Start her up, Chris. This is how easy she starts now, so she's running pretty good. So I've just got a rocket cover gasket coming for it today, so I'm going to have a go at those tappets. I've got to get down and buy some different feeler strips for it. But yeah, she's getting there, so anyway, stay tuned.